Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat Pynsaphriang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phah University, Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hak arphandai tarik ujarliu aja aphanrio kala Phah Tohkit hak oversight ko board hadian bawa YouTuber ulah Pynsaphriang haransan social media yang Jingmih ke Tdem Jaboh nak karkhana ethanol distillery unit ke Badan Byrnihat hakorwo ulah Phah asiklap thai khubor ke board kala pentip baka task force kala jurim ya ke MS Umnyam Distillation Private Limited hak kapor kumba khatway steng menstem Phah Tohkit lak pakadan sishan ke jing penmi ya ke Tdem Jaboh nakani ke unit Phah Tohkit ru ya ke pollution control device you electrostatic precipitator or you multi-effect evaporator but you zero liquid discharge haka distillation unit kita kampura kumpala bu kendon haka jingkran beglap thai khubor haka lai photo jliu aja phanrio menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ke sangma ulong namar bagi karkhana kidan haboro artli ki jaka khaput ba kamlang ka badai ban syukun no khlam datip ya ka jingsisha na e ka Tdem Jaboh kawan.
Ethanol plant is like any other plant, and as far as I know, officers have gone and in all the plants there have been audits that have taken place. We have closed down 6 plants in the last I think 3 to 4 months. Pollution board is continuously monitoring each one of them. So if there's anything that comes out of the way, they will also be closed down. It's as simple as that. Regarding pollution, the pollution is part in general. There is an area, as you know, this is a border area. There is industries on both sides. Not blaming anybody, but there are a lot of activities happening in and around that area. So there could be possibility of certain pollution that is there, which happens in industrial areas. But we are monitoring. I think all of you know this by now, that we actually have a live monitoring system. So we don't depend on manual information coming in from our offices anymore. We actually have live information. Our sensors are there live, and we are monitoring them anytime. Anytime the level goes up beyond a certain point, the information comes immediately to us, and immediately we take action. There are live monitoring systems that are put in now industries, and we're making it mandatory to be put up in all the bigger polluting, I think A category or something they call. All of them we're putting up. So therefore, I think it'll be incorrect to just focus on one particular plant, and especially, as I said, ethanol plant, maybe one of the more cleaner ones, because they use rice, broken rice, or they use, as far as I know, bamboo. I don't know if this plant uses bamboo or not. So they don't use any kind of heavily polluting raw materials. Like for example, if you have a ferro oil unit, or if you have a cement plant, they use different kind of materials that could be slightly more polluting than an ethanol plant. So I think it would be unfair to point a finger. I think maybe it's very easy for YouTuber to just go and collect. But fair enough. If there is any major concern, I am more than happy to send more people to check on it. For me, the environment issues are more important. So I will definitely send my people and ask them to double check on it and take action if there's anything that they find wrong.
So if you remember, you all had constituted a joint committee.
Yes.
Assam and Meghalaya to work things out properly.
So they are working. They are regularly discussing. I don't know about the number of official meetings they've had, but on a case-to-case basis, there's a coordination that's always taking place. And the good part is that both sides are now taking steps to bring down. Byrnihat is an industrial zone. So as I said, expecting that it's not going to have certain level of activity is not fair. But yes, things should be under control. And if anybody is found to be flaunting the rules, breaking the rules, not having the equipments in place, strict action to be taken against them. I'm very clear on that, and I will. So let me assure you on that and find out. If there is anything that is there that is not as per the rules and laws, we will take action.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Tdem's bus comes in. bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Tdem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is Tdem's, our ride, our future.